Hey, if you ever want to drill the concrete, this is how you do it. It's actually not that hard, but it's really great if you have the right tools. You could use a drill like this and put it in hammer mode, but if you have a hammer drill, that's even better. So I've marked out where I want my lights to go already, and what I need to do now is to use the drill. I'm using a 1/4 inch bit, a masonry bit, and then I have this little sleeve that I'm going to hammer in. All right, a few things to keep in mind. You don't want the bit to be bigger than the sleeve that you're using. Little wings on either side are sticking out, so we're good there. And then also use something like this, which is a stop, because you also don't want to go deeper than this piece right here. You can also just use a piece of tape if you don't have this.
After marking out where you want your holes, it's actually pretty easy to drill, but you want to make sure that you get rid of as much debris as you can. These nylon sleeves should fit in fairly snug. You're going to need a hammer to go ahead and force them in all the way. And then this is what's going to anchor in our screws. You just want to tap it in lightly, because if you hit it too hard, you can smash the nylon sleeve.
All right, this one should be perfect. My wire here.
Since I have 2 screws, I'm making sure that I screw each of them in a little bit at a time. Now it's time to finish the rest of the bench. We are using a Trex material for the seat part, and then I have these custom metal pieces welded for the back that are at an angle, so it should be nice and comfy. Stay tuned.